wet the tube. Third, screw this inside the bottle. Fourth, put the seeds in. Lastly, put the sand in. Now we're going to put it in a dark place and let it germinate. Germinate, 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 germinate. Oh my gosh, my herb garden is so pretty. Now it's time to harvest it. It smells delicious. I have an idea. We have some watermelon, yogurt, and a freshly harvested mint leaf. Blend it all together. There you have it, our creamy mint and watermelon popsicle. Thanks to the pet tomato.